Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a hot pink full glam tutorial fit for spring and a night out. Let's get started. So I've already gone ahead and washed and moisturized my face. I'm gonna go with the NYX Angel Veil Primer. My skin is oily type, so this is really good for oily skin. Then I'm gonna go ahead and brush my brows and get ready to apply some product. I'm gonna use an angled brush in the Urban Decay Shapeshifter contour palette. It's really good for brows as well as contour. So you just start at the front of the brow and brush your way out using just a little bit of product, not too much. And the way I do my brows sometimes when I'm trying to get them super snatched is I kind of overdraw them and then go back over with concealer. So it's gonna look a little crazy at first, but I promise that it's gonna look so amazing at the end of the day. Yeah, so in order to create the shape of my brows, I'm just gonna go in with a concealer brush and some concealer and go ahead and line up where all that bushiness was so we can have a flaky brow. And the key to great brows is definitely practice. I mean, nobody gets it right on the first try, and my brows are like the one thing that takes the longest for me to do. I think that's every girl, honestly, because the brows shape the face. They're really the most important thing. If you don't have good brows, then you might as well just go home, babe. So yeah, now we're just gonna go ahead and finish up the concealing of the brow. See how it's getting super sharp. That arch is looking great. Perfect. So I went ahead and did the other brow off camera, and now we're gonna get ready to prime our lids. I love this base. It's by NYX, and I'm gonna leave all the descriptions of the products below in the description box. So don't worry about that. So after we've packed on the concealer, I like to just blend it and pack it down with a flat foundation brush. And now I'm going in with the transition color. So because this look is so vibrant pink, I decided to use purple because I just love pink and purple. They're a great combination. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add our pigment to the lid. Y'all, this pigment is amazing. Look at that. Love, love, love. NYX actually sells like some of these pigments like separately from the eyeshadow palettes, which is really amazing because I didn't even know at first that they had there was a difference between eyeshadows and pigments. So that was something cool to learn as a makeup enthusiast. So yeah, now we're just blending more of the purple into the pink so we can have that super dramatic glamour look that we're going for today. Great, now we're gonna get ready to put our glitter on with some NYX glitter primer, and we're just gonna dab on kind of a lot, honestly, but you want that glitter to stay on. So we're just gonna pat, 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 and now we're gonna use our glitter palette. I'm gonna go in with this hot pink color and just use my finger. I'm not a super perfectionist when it comes to eyeshadow, honestly, or technique. As long as it looks good, just do what works for you. So I prefer to use my finger because I think it just applies the pigment better. But you can use a brush if you want, but this is my tutorial and you're watching it, so do what I say. Just kidding. But yeah, so now I also want to go in with the purple glitter just to accent the purple shadow and just make it more dramatic. And as you can see, it's kind of coming together. Then I'm gonna go back over with the purple eyeshadow just to blend in so we don't lose some of that dark purple because this one is so bright, the glitter I mean. And just go again with the pink pigment over the pink glitter just so that it pops out more. And go ahead and blend some of that underneath the eye as well. Whoops. Great, now I'm going in with a liquid eyeliner, and we're gonna make that wing super fleeky. You guys, I used to be the worst at eyeliner. It's crazy. Practice, practice, practice. It really, really pays off. Like literally, I couldn't imagine myself like 5 years ago being this steady with my hand in eyeliner. I feel accomplished. Yes, I do. All right, great. So, oh, I'm just retouching. Okay, great. And here's my cousin, all in my video. Anyway, so the eyes are pretty much done. I just went ahead and did the other eye off camera, and now I'm going in with some foundation. This foundation I'm using is the It Cosmetics foundation, and it's in the color Rich. It's the original, like CC cream one, I believe. The label's like mad faded, so I can't even tell you verbatim, but I will leave it in the description box, like I said. Yeah, so I'm using a fluffy brush to go ahead and blend that out into the skin. And now we're gonna go ahead with our Fenty Beauty Loose Setting Powder. I love this powder, it's so flawless. It is kind of messy, so you have to have a very light hand, okay? But it's worth it, I promise. Now we're gonna go with the highlight and contour segment with our Too Faced concealer and a flat concealer brush just to get underneath those eyes and wake up the face, okay? Because your girl is tired. So we're just gonna use the flat brush to clean up our eyeliner and underneath our eyes where we might have got some of that fallout, and just so we have a fabulous and flawless look. Now this concealer is super blendable. I love it. It doesn't crack underneath the eye. It's like butter, literally. Too Faced is one of my favorite brands. Alright, so now I'm going to go back in with the Urban Decay Shapeshifter Contour Palette and just go ahead and contour my face with the cream side and the same flat foundation brush, just because I like how my highlight is already mixed in there, so it's not too harsh and it's kind of already blended for you. I don't know. It just makes sense to me. Yeah, so now we're going to go with the powder side and a small powder brush just to blend in that concealer so it's not too harsh. The key to a perfect contour is just to make sure that you blend it without blending too much, otherwise it'll look muddy and it just won't give you that cut chisel cheekbone that you're really looking for. Trust me, it took me a while to get to this level of contour, but you can too, girl. Look at those eyes. This is gorgeous. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with my flat contour brush. All of the black brushes that you see me using are the e.l.f. kit brush. It was like 20 brushes or a bunch of brushes. They came out with the set a couple years ago, but yeah, I love it. And we're just gonna touch up some of that just to make sure that we look proportionately tan and brown. And now I'm gonna go in with some banana powder and a highlighting brush. I use the Makeup Revolution one. You can get it at Ulta for $7, sis. It's the truth. And now I'm gonna go in with a dark purple lip liner to line out my lips and to highlight the contour in my eyes. You can also do this with a nude, but I thought, why not? Let's go there. Why not? Perfect. And now I'm gonna go in with my STILA liquid lipstick in the color Chianti, like the wine, and just blend that in there. giving us a nice sultry, deep vamp lip. Perfect. And just to give it a little bit of a lighter tint, I'm going to go with a nude lipstick. You can use any shade. This one is Darlingly Nude by Maybelline. Love their matte lips. Okay, so we're just about done. I'm just going to add some fining touches to my lips and a little bit of setting spray. And 3, 2, 1, boom. Look at that. She's slaying, honey. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.